Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, go to search bar and type your registry editor, and from the search results click here to open it. Select as. Once we are here, we need to expand the H key local machine, so simply click here to expand this. After that, expand system folder, then expand current control set. Now expand services folder. Once we are here, we need to find out WSCSBC folder. Just keep scrolling down. Here it is. Okay, select it. On the right side, right click on the start, select modify and change the value data as to 2. Now click on OK and close this window. Now press Windows key plus R key together to open run, and simply type your services.msc and hit enter. Now we need to find out here security center. Right click on it, select properties and make sure we need to set startup type as automatic, and it should be running. If it's stopped, then click on start, click on apply and then OK. Once done, simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.